You are welcome to today's class. In today's class, we want to design a logo. Now, the logo we want to design has to do with MOD Global Limited. On this note, you are to decide what the logo will look like. So let's go. The name of the company is MOD Global Limited. MOD Global Limited. MOD Global Limited. The first thing to do is to pick a background, because your background will determine how the logo will go. So when you pick a background, you can be able to decide how the logo will look like. So picking a good background for the logo, let me pick this. I can just use this as a logo background. So now we are using this MOD Global Limited. MOD Global Limited. So now we go. The next one is we begin to write the text one after the other. Number one is M. Write it in capital letter. Come to A. Locate size. Drag it to make it big. So this is M. Then go back again to plus. Click text. This is O. Click OK. Come to this. Drag it again and put it where you put it again. Click on the plus again and click D and type D. So MOD Global Limited. So this is MOD Global Limited. MOD Global Limited. So we have everything in 200 size, because the size of the letter must be the same. So we have everything in 200 size. So the next thing is to go to the font. We change the font to our desire. So let's pick this, and the second one, let's pick the same thing. Then the third one, pick the same thing. So now this is MOD Global Limited. So we have to decide how we want it to look like. So now we begin to arrange MOD Global Limited. So we are deciding how it's going to look like. So now you can zoom it out to be able to see it very well. So now can you see it now? This is MOD Global. Then let's go back again. So the next thing now is to give color. When looking at it, what color do you think it will be okay for this? I am choosing red. I'm just choosing red. I am choosing red. Sorry for that. I'm choosing red. So now we have the three here. So now after this is done, after we have this, the next thing for us to do is to get, you can do it in different way. It's either you make the O to come to the front. If the O come to the front, it will be like this. So let's make the O to come to the front, so the D and M will be at the back of O. So we have done that now. What are we designing? We are designing logo, mock-up logo. So now, mock-up logo. Now the next thing we are going to do now is to after what I've done this, the next thing is to join the three together. We join the two, but before we do that, let's do it this way. It's of two way. It's either you join the three together, or you, before you move to the next stage, or you do it one after the other. So whatever, anyone you prefer. So but let's do it this way. Let's go back. Let's now come to our embossing. Here is our embossing. We emboss now. On our embossing here, you can decide to, now the first thing after doing this, you turn this light angle to your preferred direction, to your preferred directions. So the next thing is to begin to adjust this, that is the intensity, adjust it to your preferred direction. Then make sure you bring this bend to at least 50. Once you are through with that, you do the same thing to the second one. You do it to the second one. That is the same way. Are you there? So then come to this. You do this to the third one as well. That is the D. So the same way. So you click your OK. Then the next thing, you come to 3D. You do your 3D. Your 3D. This is your 3D. And you can decide to change the color by, maybe you give him white under. Can you see that? You can decide to do your 3D like that and give him white under. White. Can you see that? Do the same thing to this one. 3D. Just drag the dip and change the color of the dip. White under. Can you see that now? Once that is done, we are still coming back to our, you can see everything is here. So you can decide to increase the shadow if you like. Increase the shadow if you like. The shadow. Can give him shadow if you like. So the same thing. Shadow. So now, after this now, the next thing for us to do, let's come here and merge it together. We can merge it together. Once we merge it together now, you cannot dismerge it except you come back. Disadvantage is that once you merge it together, it has now turned to image. It's no more in letter. So you must know that it has turned to image, it's no more in letter. Immediately you merge it together, it has now turned to image, it's no more in letter. So, but before then, we can rotate it to our preferred desire. Let's do the rotation before we merge it together. Let's do the rotation. We must be able to know our rotation direction. So let's do the rotation to our direction. So let's do the rotation. You can see to our preferred direction. So 20 kinitele 23. So let's go back. It must be of the same figure. You can just press the minus. Can you see 20? So let's do the last one as well. 20. So that is it. Once this is done, then the next thing, we come to this place, we click, come to this down here, then you click this 3 minus plus, just click it, then click the mark the 3 and click this join together, this triangle or rectangle that is joined together, just click it. That means you have merged them. So now with this, now you have merged it together now. So it now turned to image. This is MOD now. Now it now remain the global limited, right? So now you are now going to write the global limited under. So let's go. So you can now do the global limited together. Global limited. Global limited. You can bring it down like this. MOD global limited. So let's check the fonts. Desired font. Let's look for our desired font. You can pick this one that is here. You can pick the same thing, or you come here and use this one. It depends on your choice. Your choice is what matter most here as a designer. So this is MOD Global Limited. So now we are going to do the same thing. We are using white for the limited, for the global limited. So all we just need to do is to zoom it out. Then we come to the embossing, the emboss. Do the emboss first. Do the embossing first, then this one, then this one. So after that is done, we do the bending as well. So okay. So now once that is done, we come to 3D. Now under our 3D, we can convert this one, make this one a little bit otopoju, can reduce it a little bit. So now then we can turn this one to red. Can you see it now? Can turn it to red. Then we can do the rotation to the same way like we do that one. So can you see now? So now once the rotation is done like that, then we can decide to give shadow. Everything is here together. Then here again we can give 3D shadow. 3D shadow can be black. So we can just, it now depends on us how we want our 3D shadow to be. Do we want it to expand or we want it small? So the choice should be on us. So immediately after, then the next thing is you can see it now that this is done. This is MOD logo now. We are through with this now. This is MOD logo. Now with this logo now, you come to this place, you do the project like this, you write it. You can just write glow. You know what you use to save it, glow. Can just write glow. Sorry, I have some work there that I've used glow to save, so glow.
Indulge in an exclusive exclusive serving of special privileges.
Continue. So now you have saved with that, and we continue from here. Go back again. Save. Now when you want to save your final saving on your phone, you can do this. MG, PNG, then come to diffuse, default, come to default, sorry, then you click ultra, click save to gallery. So automatically that work is done. So now we will now go to our gallery. After it's finished saving, we go to our gallery to check the job that we have just done. Now let's now go to our gallery and check the job we have just done. Gallery. Now let's see it. This is it. This is the job just done now. This is the job. Can you see the 3D? This is what we mean by mock-up logo. This is what we mean by mock-up logo. Somebody can just tell you want. Now this kind of logo, we use it for our DP profile picture, like to advert. We can use it on our picture on our WhatsApp as a profile picture. We can use it on our Facebook, on our social media, and we can use it as our DP. So that is mock-up logo. Thank you. See you in the next class.